This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a quiet pocket in the Gold Coast, just steps from Lakeshore Drive, Oak Street Beach, and the 18-mile Lakefront Trail for a walk through one of the apartments at 65 East Scott. I'm just a few steps from the elevator bank at apartment 16E. One bedroom, looking east toward Lake Michigan, short walk away. Floor-to-ceiling windows, turning into a generously sized living dining area. Good carpeting in the living areas and bedroom. Great floor-to-ceiling windows. Heading toward the entryway in the kitchen. It's a closet with shelving off to my right. Closet with hanging space off to my left. Turning into an L-shaped kitchen with a black and white motif. I have a 4-burner electric range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and space for a small table or a piece of furniture. Heading toward the bedroom. Another closet off to my right as I approach the bath. Bath has that black and white motif again. Triple mirrored medicine cabinet above a pork chop vanity top. And a soaking tub. Bedroom is large enough to accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. And it's a wall-wide closet. Unusually good storage space for a one-bedroom in the Gold Coast. 65 East Scott has on-site management, maintenance, and 24/7 door staff. The outdoor pool deck is ringed by trees, has a sunning area, and gas grills. Fitness center has both cardio and strength training equipment. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.